Here's Olive. Olive, say hi.
Hi.
It's about, what time is it? 7:15?
Yeah.
It's right after 7.
Yeah.
The sun's just coming up over there, and it's about 7 below 0, and the wind chill is about -25. So we're gonna try this. No, let me back up so I don't get, woo! Okay, there we go. Wow. Do you want to go from this way? Because this is the way the wind's blowing. You want to switch places? Okay, come on. Let's switch. Move back farther, Hollis. You're gonna.
Yeah.
Alright, there you go. Like 3D. Oh. No, you don't have to do it towards me. Do it that way.
Bye. Wait, which way should I?
That way. Not on your mom.